What's going on, guys? It's your favourite brown boy again with another Honda Civic video. Don't know why I just did that, but yeah. Today we're going to be doing an exhaust install video with this, a Body Club Pro Spec 3. I know it looks a bit battered, but it was cheap, so bear with it. And yeah, hopefully today we're going to be making the Civic a bit quieter, because right now I have no rear muffler in the car and a stock exhaust system the whole way through, and it sounds like absolute arse. But yeah, hopefully this should make it a bit quieter and sound a bit better. And you know what they say about guys with loud cars, small dicks. But I'm just saying, I've got a big pipe right here, so I'm going to prove all of you lot wrong. Right, first things first, I figured I'd show you guys what the Civic currently sounds like. Be warned, it sounds like a wet fart, but... so yeah, let's get started and show you guys what it sounds like. Right, let's see if this works. Probably going to be dead, but we'll try and make it work. Yeah, no, it didn't work. Alright, cool. I forgot I had this. This would kind of help, but I've got my girlfriend's battery from her Suzuki Switch. She doesn't know I have, so... But yeah, let's see if we can get this started. Right, this is going to be a bit ghetto because this battery does not work with this car, but I reckon we can make it work. So let's see. This plus, right. This is so ghetto, but hopefully it works. I'm just going to say this now, do not try this at home because you'll probably die, but I drive a Honda, so my life is already pretty much dead as it is, so hey. If I could have got a Skyline, I would have got one. Oh, this is a good sign. Right, start. No. Okay, right, let's try again. Right, probably can't hear me that well, but as you can see, it sounds like crap and it's stupidly loud. And also I'm probably dying of poisoning right now from the fact of all the fuel. But it's loud, so it works. We're gonna let it warm up quick, and then once it's warmed up, we'll give it a few revs and then we'll start the install video. Car's warmed up, so now we're gonna give it a few revs, show you guys what it sounds like. I will be honest, my car seems louder than it was before when I last started it in June, so I'm a bit concerned because it's sat abandoned for 6 months. So I don't know if someone's possibly stolen my cat or anything, but I haven't checked underneath it, so I assume it's still there, but we're gonna give it a quick few revs and see what it sounds like. Wanna go back? Okay, yeah, that's enough before my neighbours absolutely kill me. But right, we're gonna get the car jacked up, and then I will show you the current state of the system on the car in a minute. The exhaust system, same thing. Right, car's jacked up, and I'll be honest, we haven't done it the most orthodox method, but it will work and it is fairly sturdy. But yeah, we're gonna get this system off right now and then go from there. I fucking do it. Wait. Oh, come off! Right. Anyone who's ever done an exhaust install video, or just done exhaust in general, whatever, you know an exhaust does not come off that easy. I was right. Anyone notice something wrong here? Someone's nicked my cat. You know what? I'm just going to say this right now. Whoever stole my cat, credit to you, because this car was lower than the first video. I actually raised it off camera to get it onto that recovery. So whoever stole this cat, I hate you because I wanted to sell it to make more money for car parts, but I gotta give you credit because that must have not been easy. Joke's on you because I wanted to decat it for off-road purposes, but you know, it is what it is, we roll with it. But anyway, it is what it is, we just gotta get on with it. We can still mock up the exhaust and at least get it partly on just before the rain finishes, and then we'll just have to do an exhaust clip once the manifold that I'm getting and the decat comes in, hopefully next week. But yeah, might as well just roll with it. Gloves first, safety first. Man, I can't believe someone stole my cat, but as I said, credits to whoever did it, because at least you didn't fuck up my car. You actually jacked it up normally and you just did a quick cut, so and you unbolted it some reason off the manifold, but yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, just get this on. Ow. Yes. Okay. That went smoother than possible. Word of advice to anyone, if you're going to be doing engine exhaust in your car, spray the hangers. I use this, something 3-in-1. You can use WD, whatever, but it all works. It's just basically lube. And it just gets rid of any crap. But yeah.
Thousands of tears later.
Oh, come on. Ow. Ow! Come on, hangers. Come on. Who doesn't love big pipes hanging in their face? Oh, why did I get into cars? I should have just done drugs like everyone else. Kind of got the exhaust on, it's a bit lopsided and it'll probably burn the bumper, but it's fine, we're going to re-lit for it. But kind of get the idea of what it's going to look like. Anyway, since we can't do much more than this, we're just going to jack the car down. Yo, this is just a quick outro. I did try to film a few, but they all failed. I can't really help traffic noise, but it is what it is. Damn it, stupid mopeds! Just mainly an outro just to kind of apologise for today's video. I did try to do an exhaust install video and kind of show you guys what it would sound like, but can't really help a cat being stolen, so we'll turn a loss into a win. And as I said, I've got a manifold and a decat pipe coming, so hopefully soon in the next video we can all enjoy some non-VTEC goodness and some wet fart sounds. I also do want to say a massive thank you to anyone who showed love on the first video. It actually amazes me that we hit 250 views in 72 hours. Like, it's crazy, especially as I'm a nobody like anyone else. Yeah, the same thing as before, guys. Let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see Audi content? Do you want to see more Honda? I do have videos planned for the Audi, and I do also have another project car to reveal soon once things kind of pick up a bit more, which will probably trigger a few of you, but hey, we're all about kind of pissing off people and doing what we want to do. But yeah, please like, subscribe, guys. Let me know what you think and give me some feedback as before, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.